Its first buy of new crop U.S. soybeans, 4.85 million bushels, but soybeans continue to pull back midweek. AgDay's Michelle Rook is here to discuss it with Tommy Grisafi. Markets now.
Well, another mostly lower day in the grains on Wednesday, with the exception of old crop corn. Tommy Grisafi with Advanced Trading is joining us. And Tommy, it's been pretty ugly in both the corn and soybean market. We're at 3-year lows. Do you feel like we're justified to be at these price levels? I mean, especially with what we see with the weather and whatnot.
That's a great question. I notice when markets make extreme lows or extreme highs, they don't always stay there that long, but an incredible amount of volume can trade on this low. So if there's old crop bushels that need to hit the market, they'll hit it at these low levels. When markets go up, sometimes you see huge volume trade on highs and lows. And do we stay there for a long time? Well, the way I look at that, Michelle, is I look at December 24 corn futures, 25, 26, 27, and December 25 futures have been flirting with 450, probably close a little right around that level again today. But we have the 405, 410 level in D's 24. So it looks like even a big rally here in years to come is a 50-cent rally until things change, right? A huge problem in the world, big demand, things change, funds are really short, but that doesn't mean they're wrong. The funds are short, and right now they have it correct.
Yeah, they do, but they usually only push so short and then maybe change or pivot. What could get them to do that at this point? Is there anything?
The United States government has allowed funds to have larger position limits, which allows them to sell more. There used to be, hey, you can only sell this much. That levels went up tremendously, and they're getting a chance to flex their muscles. As I look over to my right, the stock market, the Dow Jones is approaching 40,000. And all these prior examples of what the funds could or couldn't do, there wasn't as much money in the world. There wasn't as much debt. There wasn't as many dollars looking for a home. So I do think the funds continue to sell it until they decide they want to be a buyer. And that would be very interesting, Michelle.
You think this is an old crop situation as well, that farmers are actually selling and pitching in the towel too?
Yeah, I think that's a great question. Funds are adding to the short, and farmers are definitely pitching the towel on basis contracts, starting to sweep the bins. I don't think they're telling anyone about it. I don't think they're going to the coffee shop and bragging about it. But yes, old crop grain is hitting the marketplace.
Okay, thanks so much for joining us. Tommy Grisafi with Advanced Trading. We'll have more Ag Day coming up. Watch Markets Now with Michelle Rook on the Farm Journal YouTube channel, keeping you updated throughout the day on the markets at the open, midday, and close. Find out what moved the markets today and what to expect the market to do next.
Interested in spending a day with a trader? Call Tommy Grisafi at 800-664-4383.